Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. We're going to do a quick mail call. This is from Lemonhead Penny. This was from his 1,000 sub giveaway. I won a little something, so let's get her opened up and see what we got. Well, this one's going to take scissors, I think. Well, maybe not. Alrighty. I believe it was a proof set. Yep, that's what it was. Yeah, my bud, LHP. And that be me. And this is a... I don't remember exactly, but it is a 1964. And believe it or not, I don't think I have a 1964. Of all the sets that I have and had, cool. So that was from his 1,000 sub giveaway. What a half is nice. That is really pretty. Very pretty. So I think, if I am not mistaken, I'll have to go through my stuff, but I believe that that is my first 64 proof set. So I thank you, my friend. Congratulations on 1,000. You're going to be banging up there to 2,000 in no time. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to give Lemonhead a quick shout out and thank him for my prize and congratulate him on his 1,000 subscribers. And we will get back to you guys in the next video. So y'all have a good one.